Looking for the ultimate mobile gaming experience in 2026? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming phones of 2026, where power meets performance in the most advanced smartphones ever built. These devices are engineered for extreme speed, console-level graphics, ultra-smooth, high refresh rate displays, and next-gen cooling systems that keep performance stable during long gaming sessions. From dedicated gaming beasts to flagship all-rounders optimized for performance, each phone on this list delivers unbeatable responsiveness, immersive visuals, and pro-level control. If you're serious about mobile gaming, these are the devices that redefine what's possible in your hands. Number 5. OnePlus 15. The OnePlus 15 continues the brand's tradition of delivering flagship-level performance with a focus on speed, efficiency, and user experience. Designed for users who demand top-tier power without compromise, this smartphone combines cutting-edge hardware, intelligent software optimization, and a sleek, premium design into one impressive package. At its core, the OnePlus 15 is powered by a next-generation flagship processor that delivers lightning-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, content creation, and everyday use. Paired with a high refresh rate AMOLED display, users enjoy ultra-smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and exceptional responsiveness whether browsing, streaming, or competing in demanding mobile games. Battery life is another major strength. The large capacity battery is engineered to keep up with intensive daily workloads, while ultra-fast charging technology minimizes downtime and gets you back to full power in minutes. Advanced thermal management ensures the device remains cool and efficient even during extended gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the refined camera system, which captures detailed photos, natural colors, and impressive low-light results. Enhanced AI processing further improves image quality, helping users achieve professional-looking shots with minimal effort. Beyond performance, the OnePlus 15 delivers a clean and intuitive software experience with thoughtful customization options and long-term software support. Its premium construction, slim profile, and ergonomic design create a device that feels as impressive in hand as it performs in daily use. Whether you're a mobile gamer, productivity-focused professional, or everyday user seeking flagship performance, the OnePlus 15 stands out as one of the most well-rounded smartphones of 2026, offering exceptional speed, reliability, and value in a highly competitive market. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the ultimate AI-powered flagship smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represents the pinnacle of smartphone innovation in 2026. Combining elite performance, cutting-edge AI capabilities, and premium craftsmanship into one powerful device. Designed for users who demand the very best, this flagship delivers an exceptional experience whether you're gaming, creating content, multitasking, or capturing professional quality photos. At its core, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by a next-generation flagship processor that provides lightning-fast performance, improved power efficiency, and advanced AI-driven features. Its stunning dynamic AMOLED display offers ultra-smooth refresh rates, vibrant colors, and remarkable brightness, ensuring an immersive viewing experience in any environment. Photography reaches new heights with Samsung's advanced multi-camera system, featuring enhanced zoom technology, improved low-light performance, and intelligent computational photography. From detailed landscapes to cinematic videos, the S26 Ultra is built to help creators capture every moment with incredible clarity and precision. Battery life is equally impressive, allowing users to stay productive and entertained throughout the day, while fast-charging technology minimizes downtime. Enhanced cooling systems ensure consistent performance during demanding tasks such as high-end mobile gaming and intensive content creation. Beyond hardware, the Galaxy S26 Ultra integrates Samsung's latest AI ecosystem, offering smarter productivity tools, real-time assistance, advanced photo editing, and personalized user experiences. Combined with premium materials, refined design elements, and industry-leading security features, the device stands as one of the most complete flagship smartphones available for those seeking uncompromising performance, intelligent software, exceptional cameras, and a luxurious design. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra sets a new benchmark for what a premium smartphone can achieve in 2026. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents the next evolution of foldable smartphone innovation, combining flagship performance, premium craftsmanship, and unmatched versatility in a single device. Designed for users who demand both productivity and entertainment, the Z Fold 7 seamlessly transforms from a powerful smartphone into an expansive tablet-like workspace, delivering a truly immersive experience wherever you go. Featuring a stunning dynamic AMOLED display with ultra-smooth refresh rates and vibrant color accuracy, the device offers exceptional visual quality for gaming, streaming, multitasking, and creative work. Its refined foldable design is thinner, lighter, and more durable than previous generations, making everyday use more comfortable while maintaining Samsung's signature premium aesthetic. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by cutting-edge flagship hardware that delivers lightning-fast performance, efficient power management, and advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're editing content, running multiple apps simultaneously, or enjoying graphics-intensive games, the device remains smooth, responsive, and reliable. The advanced camera system captures detailed photos and professional-quality videos across a variety of lighting conditions. Enhanced computational photography and intelligent image processing ensure impressive results for both casual users and content creators. Meanwhile, improved battery optimization and fast charging technology help keep you connected and productive throughout the day. What truly sets the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 apart is its ability to redefine mobile productivity. Split-screen multitasking, enhanced stylus support, and desktop-like functionality allow users to work smarter and more efficiently than ever before. By blending smartphone convenience with tablet-level capability, Samsung has created a device that pushes the boundaries of what a modern mobile experience can achieve. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not just a foldable phone, it is a glimpse into the future of premium mobile technology. Number 2. Sony's Xperia 1VE. The Sony's Xperia 1.7 is a premium flagship smartphone designed for users who demand professional-grade performance, advanced imaging capabilities, and a truly immersive multimedia experience, combining Sony's expertise in mobile technology, photography, and entertainment. The Xperia 1.7 stands out as one of the most refined smartphones of 2026. At its core, the device features a powerful next-generation processor that delivers exceptional speed, responsiveness, and efficiency for gaming, content creation, multitasking, and everyday use. The stunning 4000 OLED display offers remarkable color accuracy, deep contrast, and smooth refresh rates, making movies, games, and creative projects look incredibly lifelike. Sony's signature cinematic display technology ensures a viewing experience that rivals professional monitors. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Xperia 1V's advanced camera system, which incorporates technology inspired by Sony's Alpha camera lineup. With enhanced autofocus, improved low-light performance, and professional manual controls, users can capture stunning photos and videos with outstanding detail and accuracy. Dedicated creator-focused features make it an excellent tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators. Audio quality remains a major strength, featuring high-resolution sound support, immersive stereo speakers, and wired audio options that appeal to audiophiles. Whether listening to music, gaming, or streaming content, the Xperia 1.7 delivers rich, balanced, and detailed sound. Built with premium materials and a sleek, minimalist design, The Xperia 17 combines durability with elegance. Long battery life, fast charging, and advanced connectivity options ensure reliable performance throughout the day. For users seeking a smartphone that blends professional imaging tools, flagship performance, and premium entertainment features, the Sony Xperia 17 represents one of the most complete and sophisticated mobile experiences available in 2026.